Hey guys, it's Aiasha Seiko, and today we are with Miss Octavia, and we did something a little different. Usually we just do a traditional sew-in, but we did a flip over sew-in with her today. And we used Ondibu Hair's natural curly in 22 inches. We did only about 2.5 bundles, and it's still really nice and full. This is the natural texture. The only thing I did was spray a little bit of water and a little bit of curl sealant at the bottom just to define the curls a little bit. One thing about Ondibu Hair, the bundles are extremely full. And the reason I say that is because we only installed 2.5 bundles in her hair. This is the amount of hair that we have left over, which is about a little bit under a half of a bundle. But you can see it's still very full, and that's what comes with quality hair. You're not gonna get those short bundles that don't have a lot of hair in it. The bundles are gonna be very full, and you can add the extra hair if you want, but it's not needed.